Yo, guys. Let's go. Yo, yo, yo. How's it going, guys? Why is my camera always falling? Yes, guys, welcome. Mehmet, welcome. Let's see who's here, guys. Ashton's in the house. Jamie's in the house. Welcome, bro. Curiosity Chronicles legend. Essas, welcome, man. Welcome. Okay, let's see what the market's going to do, guys. Let's see what the market's going to do. It's been a busy day for me. I've not really traded too much today. I mean, one win on Nas. Nice, Jamie. Took partials on gold. Yeah, I did, to be honest with you, I didn't mind these 30 buys, but I think it messed about a little bit too much. Some of the guys in the mentorship actually entered this, and I think it took them break even after the initial push. So it's like, you know, but it is. Yo, Carl, how's it going, man? Dallas, good to see you. But I mean, it's not a bad entry. It's really not a bad entry if you did take it. It probably did mess about a little bit too much though. Need to pass today? What do you have to pass today, Ashton? Is there like a time limit on it, or do you just want to get it passed? Yeah, time limit. Oh, right. I didn't know there were time limits. Fair play. Runs out on the 25th. Let's do it, bro. Are you still, so you're in these longs still, Ashton? What website are you using to trade? This is TradingView, my friend. This is TradingView. But yeah, this was clean. I mean, you took liquidity, you broke above, continuation into this level, but it did mess about, guys. I mean, it did mess about. Wick filled, went break even, hit break even, pushed up. It's like, it's a tough one. It is a tough one. But yeah, let's see what the market's going to do. Maybe it leaves a little wick fill on this 30 and I can take a little wick fill entry. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, guys, any questions? Let me see who's here. Drop a like as well. Appreciate you all. Yeah, let's see if the 30 leaves a wick fill. Even the hourly. Hourly, I might just take a little wick fill on the hourly. If I can get a bottom wick. Yo, CNN, welcome, man. Good to see you. Trendy Pips, how's it going? Welcome. TP, I think gold's going to possibly go and hit all-time highs here today, but we'll see. Let's see. Yo, how's it going, bro? Tiernan, welcome, man. Flipped and pushed 3 times. Fair enough. Yeah, I marked it up here, but I think it did mess about. So yeah, let's see. What is this? Sorry, guys. Someone just in my screen. Okay, let's see if this double top, how's it going? 5,000 will be historical. Yeah, let's see if we can push. I mean, we could see an hourly flip here into this level and wick fill. How many ticks would that be? That'd be a decent like 40 ticks there. So there is potential. There is potential. I hit my stop loss, fair enough. I'm just going to see how this hourly sort of forms, okay? See how this hourly forms and go from there. News incoming. Yeah, we have got news in like an hour and 45. Hiya, Joe. Yo, Paul, how's it going, mate? Good to see you. Do I only trade gold? Yes, I do. I do only trade gold. Yeah, it's strange. I might restart it. I don't know what it is. Maybe because I drank water or something. Let me restart it. Yeah, I'm just going to wait for this to create a top wick. Maybe I can take some buys then. Right, we're back. Yeah, I think it's because I drank water. I think it's because I drank water. They can be a bit strange. Yo, Dre, how's it going, man? Good to see you. I think if this can actually pull back a little bit, I might put a little buy on here, and for this to continue pushing higher. Yeah, I might put a little buy if this can even create a bottom wick for this to go into all-time highs after this hourly like fake out kind of. Doesn't matter because we are coming into a level. I mean, if we can break above this level here, then there's potential for higher prices. You know, maybe get a push above and break above here. Then I can look for continuations. Yo, were anybody just on that live then? Has anybody taken anything just yet, guys? Anyone taken any trades? Yeah, welcome, guys. Welcome. I missed longs from 48.99. Fair enough. I mean, the only longs I really like were the last 30. Yes, sir. Hit TP. Beautiful. Bro, I realized if you use break and retest rate, other exchanges work too. Yeah, it works fine. It works fine. It works fine with any strategy, really. Any pair, should I say. Okay, let's try and get a 15-minute breakout here. I might take some buys into sort of like a range. Nice work, Tuck. Good work. Silver going crazy, yeah. I might see how this 15 closes here on gold. Do I only trade gold? Yes, I do, Earthly. I trade gold and a little bit of Nasdaq. I'm going to be looking for trades potentially into some levels. I did like wick fill, but we'll see. You're making money without gambling? Nice. What we'd like to see. Okay, let's see if this 15 can break out here. If this 15 can break out, I think we're going to continue pushing here. Hourly's pushing bullish. We're at a big level of support here on the 15 and 30. So I need a break above. I need a break above this level, and then I'm going to be looking for a play higher. So let's say it closes above this level. I'll be looking for something like this. Maybe try and run this into all-time highs if I can get a runner pre-news. Let's see. I don't want to get dinged again. Yeah, guys, drop a thumbs up on the chat. Drop a like. Drop a comment if you're just tuning in. And drop a thumbs up on the live. Appreciate you all. Is it possible to make a new all-time high? For sure. Gold can hit all-time high in one 15-minute candle, mate. It can literally go and smash all-time high in one 15-minute candle. Like, look at gold on the daily. Gold hasn't even created a new high yet today. This could just be a bottom wick to go and push even higher to like 5,000s. Took $100 to 4K. Oh, nice work, Charlie, man. Good work. First 15 of the hour is pushing here. I really think these highs are going to get taken, so that's what I'm going to be looking to trade into. Yeah, I'm going to be looking to trade into them highs. So let's see if I can get a breakout here. How's everyone's week been, guys? Good. Break even. Loss. Oh, yeah. Yeah, for sure. We've got a lot of liquidity above. A lot of liquidity above. A loss, 1.3 up. Nice, nice. Yeah, let's see how the 15 closes here. Even if we reject off this level, maybe a little offer a sell or something within this range. It's been a tricky week, but I'm still up for the week. Passed my first evaluation yesterday, legend. Good work, mate. Keep studying. Yeah, keep working, man. Keep working. You can only get better. You can only get better. Never get complacent in trading. Just always look to improve. Whether that's journaling, back testing, forward testing, working on other parts like psychology. There's always improvements. Yo, James, how's it going, mate? Good to see you. Hey, what broker are you working with? I don't work with any brokers. I ain't a signal guru, sir. I have brokers that I sort of recommend, but none that pay me. What broker do I recommend? Send me a message. I'll send you the name of it. Yeah, send me a message. I'll send you the name of the broker I use. Like I said, I don't plug them or anything. With this strategy, 1 to 2 trades, yeah, definitely. 1 to 2 trades is all you need. You see 5-minute confirmation? Yeah, 5-minute did confirm, but it confirmed at a level. Like, I'd need a breakout and then I'd look for the confirmation. It's the only way I can take confirmation. But if you send me a message on here, guys, I'll send you the name of the broker I personally use, and then you can go for it. I mean, we are currently in this range here, pre-news. Maybe if we can get a breakout of here, we're good. Breakout of this range, good targets above, good targets below. So I use my own money. Yeah, I use my own money, of course. Yeah. I know it might sound crazy, but I do. I know it might sound crazy for like most people are fake on here, but I actually do make money trading compared to like 95% of people who trade live. I do get proper withdrawals. Shock. Sure withdrawal. Go to my YouTube, mate. There's like 40k withdrawed from last year there. What's happening, bro? Tommy, my friend, how's it going, bro? Am I open to work with your broker and as affiliate? No, I'm not. Do I trade full time? Yes, I do. Yeah, I've been trading full time for almost 3 years now, guys. Since I was like 20, just turned 23. I'm almost turning 26 in February. So yeah, I've been full time for almost 3 years. How does this work? Watch, man. Just watch. Learn, watch. Don't be too eager because you're not going to be able to do it. I'm trading before the news and trading after news. Well, I'm actually going to be taking another withdrawal this weekend. So maybe about 3k so far. Well, maybe like 3k this month so far. Nothing crazy, to be fair. I mean, in November and December, it were like 12k and 10k. So, I mean, months depend on your risk, outside factors, what other things you're doing. Like, I've been busy like with family and sorting documents out for when I leave. So it's not been like super like February would be different. February would be like super focused on the charts, on the guys in the mentorship, purely on working toward withdrawals. Like this month I've been like trading combines, not trading like big news. Like first couple of weeks were slow. It's like it's just warming back up into year. Yeah, guys, make sure you're following this account. There is fake accounts with me. This is my only account, okay? My only account. Yeah, I do, Dre. I do, man. You have to. I mean, you can't be... Yeah. What am I looking for in the market right now? Just a breakout or a rejection of this level. Let's have a look at Nasdaq for you, Ashton. For me, I wouldn't be touching Nasdaq within this range here. I'd be watching this range and waiting for a breakout. This range is the cleanest. What's my YouTube? The same as my TikTok name. Yeah, Joe Trades on YouTube. It's the same. Are you using trading? Yeah, I'm using the like second to top plan on TradingView. It's not the biggest one. It's like the one before the most expensive. I mean, I don't even need that, but I don't even know why I bought it, to be honest. I bought it because it was on the, yeah, maybe the premium. It's the second, I got it because it was on like the deal. I don't even need it. Like, I need literally like a few pairs, that's it. Yeah, I think it's because I had a drink. It put like a thing on my thing. I mean, you don't need premium. You only need like the basic plan, like the £10 one. But basically now on gold here, just waiting for a breakout. No, Dallas, I'm not. It's just water, man. It's just water. Yeah. Maybe I'll only have that maybe like once a week. Once a week. I was thinking, but it was the same entry I showed you before. Let's have a look. Ah, okay. Yeah, I see that, man. Yeah, I see that. Oh, one sec. Back. Yeah, 30 half risk is actually clean here. I mean, if this reflips bullish, you're probably going to push higher. I started drinking it when you mentioned it. How are you finding it? Do you like it? What do you think? What's your opinion? I might try a little buy if we can start rejecting here. I think it could push higher. Don't mind it. Yeah, it's good. It's a yeah. Not everybody likes it. I didn't really at first, but I do. Good for the body. Yeah, it is. Game changer. Yeah, if this can start rejecting, I'm gonna put a buy order in. What drink? Kefir. Kefir. Yeah, it's like the it's like milk yogurt, whatever it is. You probably won't like it, but I do. I mean, the thing with Nasdaq here, we have got good targets above and below. We have got good targets above and below, so all I'm going to be waiting for here is a sort of a breakout. Sounds vile. Have you tried it? You tried it, bro. Yo, Jasper, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. What's gold up to today? Just currently in this range. Maybe see how this 30 or 15 closes. Try and take some trades with that direction. We have got news in like an hour and 20. But we'll see. I mean, there could potentially be some short-term sells before continuations higher. If we break out of this range, I'm going to be looking to trade. Can you believe it's Friday already? Mate, I can't believe we're almost done for the first month of the year. I'm sure time just goes quicker as you get older. Like double the quickness. Like, I think when you hit like 20s, I think it just speeds up double. So really, you don't actually get like what 70 years. You might get like 45 or something. Scary though, isn't it? It is scary. It's not. I'm not happy that it's going quicker. I'm like, yes. It's gotta make it happen, haven't you? The older you get, the less you sleep. Yeah, I kind of agree with that. I get like 6 to 7 hours. To be honest with you, my body just wakes up. I don't even set an alarm. It just wakes up like before I want to get up, if that makes sense. Yeah, let's see how this 30 closes. 30 could be interesting here. 30 could be very interesting here. With news, does it always go down? No, no, because you see red news, it doesn't mean it's bearish. Yeah, because you see red news, it doesn't automatically mean bearish price action. Red news just means high impact. It means it's going to move the market. Okay. It means it's going to move the market. That's all it means. Joe, curious, we had like 7 wins in a row in December. Big up the goat. What's my most losses in a row? Most losses in a row, maybe like 2 to 3. I think the only reason you'd take more than 2 to 3 losses in a row with my plan is if you're not trading it correctly. Okay. Yeah, that's like, you know, if somebody comes to me who's trading my plan and says, Joe, I've taken 6 trades in a row and they've lost, I guarantee they're all not valid. Like 2, 3, maybe, yeah. If you're having like a bad run, or if you just, the probabilities have played out that way, it's very unlikely to take like more than 3 to the plan. Like to the plan, perfect to the plan. It's just not going to happen. I've not, you know, I've not really, you know, touch wood, but yeah, winning streaks, they're normal. 6 or 7 wins in a row is normal, but you know, 6 to 7 losses in a row, nah, not really. If you're sticking to the plan, it shouldn't really happen. Maybe once or twice. Small, it depends. It depends where you are in your journey. Yeah, it depends where you are in your journey. Prop firm if you need to build capital. If you don't need to build capital, then you can use your own money. I mean, most people don't have the capital, like 50 to 100k, so it's quite difficult. If so, then yeah, you need to stick to prop firms and get consistent, because it's very like low entry. You don't need a lot of money to get a prop firm. Like what, $50 or something? If you're not getting profitable now, guys, I mean, you've got the best time to get profitable with all the prop firms. I mean, we are coming into a bit of a level here, but doesn't matter. See if we can get this closure and then a sell down. Hourly could come and take all these laws as well. Yeah, guys, if you want to see the full screen on YouTube, the full screen is on YouTube. So head over to Joe Trades on YouTube. How do you get a prop firm? Just type in on the internet prop firm. There's so many. Trading prop firms. Yeah, exactly, YM. They give you money to trade, man. Yeah. Yo, Ryan, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Maybe if Nasdaq can close below, I do prefer Nasdaq sells with all this liquidity below. I might hold like a little swing into news if we can close bearish. See how this 30 closes, and then I'm going to be looking for some sells here. Yeah, they do. I've actually got a code for Lucid as well, if you want to use it. You heard a prop firm leveraged everyone a trader? Wow. Been a crazy week for gold, yeah. I think every week will be crazy for gold. That's why we love trading it. I heard there's 3 different types. Yeah, there is Dallas, man. Depends on how much capital you've got. Yeah, I'm interested in these 30 sells here on Nasdaq. I think if this 30 can close below this level, I'm gonna try some sells and try and hold this down into these lows here. Okay. So we've got 4 minutes to wait, and then I'm gonna try and hold some sells down. So I'm gonna be looking for something like this. I'm gonna be looking for some sells on the breakout. Stops will go above the high. Looking for the play down. But I need that closure. I need that closure below this level. That closure will confirm to me that price is actually ready to push down, okay? No closure, no trade. What does it mean by capital? Like a balance, how much money you've got to trade. Yeah, I think this is going to sell off. Especially if this 30 can close bearish. You in this trade? Yes. I will be on the 30 closure. I'm not in just yet. I'm going to be waiting. Then I'll be looking for a sell down. I mean, look at that. Breaking out perfectly, isn't it? Is this gold? No, this is Nasdaq. Yeah, I'm going to try and take some sells here. This is Nasdaq, mate. Yo, Milton, how's it going? Welcome. Okay, so if I can get a top wick here, I'm going to be looking for some sells down. Yo, Kenzie, how's it going, man? Welcome. So I'm going to give this a little bit of time. Give it like 30 seconds. I'm going to be looking for some sells down here. So we sell? No, I sell, not you. Because I see a valid trade to my plan, I'm going to be taking this on my top step as well. My new top step accounts. Show the 30. Yeah, this is the 30, man. Yeah, I like sells here. I'm gonna take some sell stops. I put a sell stop in here on the 30. If it comes back into this level, I'll just cancel, okay? Yeah, I might have to cancel this so quickly. Right, yeah, canceling it. That was a waste of time putting it in. Yeah, welcome guys, good to see you all. Yeah, go to my YouTube. Yeah, go to my YouTube, Joe Trades, guys, if you want to watch the full screen. Wow, look at that. Prevented a fake out. Look at that. Anybody selling here. Anybody selling gold here. Nasdaq here, sorry. Look at the drawdown they're in instantly. Instant drawdown. Yeah, guys, cheers to the follows as well. I appreciate you all. Yeah, guys, if you're new to the stream, drop a thumbs up, drop a subscribe as well. I appreciate you. Any questions, let me know. Yeah, it happens, man. It happens. Yeah, I might put it back in. I might put this order back in. It's a 30 order. I just want to see it sort of form a bottom wick before I can put it in. Is it still valid? Yeah, it's still valid, man. It's definitely still valid. It's just made a big, like, if you look at the top wick here, the top wick is like 27 points. First target is like 22. So like you are trading with a negative risk to reward. That's the only problem. But do I think it can continue pushing down? Yeah. We'll see. Probably use, yeah. If you want to take it, small risk is absolutely fine. But yeah, it'd be something like this, because them laws are clean to get taken, especially on the hourly as well. Hourly looks bearish. We've got like 25 minutes left for it to continue pushing down. 4 hourly hasn't flipped either. So yeah, I'm actually going to put a small risk here. I'm going to use small risk and take a small risk entry. Yeah, I'm not in this yet. I need the flip and continuation. And then I'm going to be looking to take it into these laws here. It is valid. It is valid. Yeah, exactly. I've got a sell stop in here. So because I'm trading my top step, I can't show it on here just yet, but I have got a sell stop on the low of this candle. If it flips bearish. Any suggestions to be consistent? Find a plan, mate, and stick to it. Like, guys, put a thumbs up if you've got a plan and a strict plan that you can stick to. What size am I going? Oh no, like 2 micros, mate. 2 micros. Yeah, this is not the highest probability trade. Yeah, exactly. So if you've got a plan and you know it works and you see that it works, then just stick to it. What strategy do I use? I use breakouts and continuations with like levels and liquidity. Simple stuff, but very effective if you stick to it. I mean, yeah, we can watch the minute if you want. minute entry. People think I've like bottom tick to sell, but it's just not true. It's just not true. Guys, please understand that this is a sell stop. I don't like really putting the thing on until I'm actually in it. There you go. If that's not clear enough. Bro, this is bearish. Go market order. Why would I go market order? Because if I went market order, I'd be in drawdown now. If I market executed, I'd be in drawdown. Is this just, yeah, exactly. This is just the top wick being created. I understand that, mate. But I mean, there's nothing to say that we're not going to fake out and push higher. This could just be a fake out to push back into the range and continue higher on Nasdaq. But yeah, I'm not in this until we actually do flip bearish, which could be quite soon. I mean, if we flip, then yeah, I'll be in the trade. But for now, I need to wait. Yeah, exactly. That's what you need to do when it breaks out. I mean, so many people get faked out trying to be too eager to enter the market. It just doesn't work. Joe, do you think any strategy is valid if 51% of profitable interactive question? Do you think any... Yeah, I think you can't just trade any strategy. You can't just rock up and start buying and selling randomly. You know, there is some people who aren't profitable. Or strategies that aren't profitable, of course, but they need to be tested and you need to understand if they work long term. You know, you can't just like randomly start buying and selling saying that it's a strategy, because that's not. Soon I will purchase to learn from you. It's not just a straight up buy. We need to see if you're a fit for the mentorship. So go and apply for the mentorship now if you're wanting to get on. Because it is a little, you know, if you do apply, then it will take a little while to get on. So go and apply now. The link is in the TikTok bio, okay? Nasdaq, yeah, this is Nasdaq. What's my win rate? 70%. Yeah, 70%. If you use one strategy and you are profitable, even if that's being 51%, yeah, of course it is, man. You only need above a 1-to-1 risk to reward if you've got a 50% win rate. Do I teach from the beginning? Yes, I teach anybody, any style, any age, well, above 18, this style, any experience, yeah. From if you're a beginner to a lot of knowledge, it doesn't matter. You know, you can be trading 3 years and still not be profitable. You can be trading 5 years and still not have seen any results. I've worked with people who are just starting. I've worked with people who've been trading 6, 7 years. You think it's going to bleed? No, I'm not in this trade yet. I'm waiting. Lucy, it depends if you're a good fit or not. Because, like, you know, that's why the application's there, to see if you're a good fit. Right, guys, I'm cancelling this order. Yeah, there's no trade there. Yeah, I'm cancelling this order on Nasdaq. So best thing to do, Lucy, is just go and apply, and then we'll be in touch with you once you've applied. The link to apply is in the TikTok bio. But you can get on in like at least like a week if you're fit for it. But yeah, look at that fake out, perfect fake out, and yeah, we've prevented that. Yeah, exactly, man. Perfect preventation. Well, prevented that perfectly. Is gold still ranging? Yeah, gold needs to break out of this range here. Gold needs to get out of this range. There's still potential on gold. Just need to break out of this here. Then we're good to go. Yep. You profitable? Yes. I mean, I've made plenty of payout videos and I still get... I hate when people don't accept your success, bro. Oh, it's all good, man. It's normal. You kind of get used to it. Like, in terms of people asking for like proof and stuff, it doesn't really bother me. Like, yeah. How much do I make daily? Don't focus on daily results, man. Daily results aren't going to get you profitable. Long-term, like weekly, monthly results is what you should be focused on. Focus on doing everything right daily, and that will lead into being consistently profitable monthly, okay? Let's have a look at Nasdaq. What Nasdaq doing? How much do you need to start? I mean, it depends. Depends. Every person's different, man. You actually don't need a lot of money to start with trading. You've got prop firms. I mean, if you're consistent, you can make good money with like $50 to $100. Am I trading today? Yeah, man. Of course. Maybe if the hourly can get below this level, I might take a little hourly short on Nasdaq in 13 minutes. There's definitely potential there. What am I trading? Gold and Nasdaq. Can you teach me? Go and apply. Nobody. Go and apply in the TikTok bio, mate. Yeah, go and apply in the TikTok bio. The link there to apply. Go and apply and I'll be in touch with you and you can learn from me. I'm from New Zealand. Nice, nice, man. I've been studying many different strategies as a newbie. I spent a lot of time in ICT and find it complicated. Your strategy is interesting and looks simpler. Yeah, that's right, man. It is. It is. How much monthly do I make? It depends, man. It changes. Like, this month I've done like 2.7K, but like November and December were like close to 10K months. Like 12, 13, and then like 10K. So it depends. Like, I don't really look at it too much. Like, I make decent money each month. A lot more than a 9 to 5 anyway. Does ICT really work? I've never really used it. I'm sure there's some profitable traders, but it is very overcomplicated sort of analysis. It's not the money, it's the freedom. 100% it's the freedom. That's why I started trading. I think that's why most people start, isn't it? What's my country's average salary? I don't know. Guys in the UK, what is that the average salary in the UK? Is it like 2K after tax or is it less? It depends where you live in the UK. It's crazy. Like in the UK, like the north is like you get like 25K or something, and then like London it's like 37 or something. 32K. Yeah, it's crazy 32K, isn't it? It's like, how do people live? I mean, like, I was on like £24,000 a year at like 22. What's that? Like just over 2K a month? Probably less than that. Crazy. I signed up. Nice, man. Amazing. I'm new on channel. Please share your strategy. Just breakouts, mate. I just trade breakouts of ranges. So I'm waiting for price to either react from this level or break out. Let's have a look at what Nas on the Owl is doing. I'm making 19K a year on touch. Yeah, I mean it's crazy. Do I trade? No, I don't do ICT, mate. I don't do smart money concepts. No, I trade quite simple breakouts. Simple breakouts of levels. So I find a range, trade breakouts into liquidity. Have I got a life outside of trading? Yeah, I do, man. I've got a blessed life outside of trading. Travel when I want. Do what I want. Go live with Daniel. Maybe. Maybe that's in the works. Is day trading similar to gambling? Nah, man. Different. We've got strategies. We've got probabilities above 50% and above a 1-to-1. Okay, let's maybe get an hourly closure here on gold and Nasdaq and trade this. Yeah, I'm leaving the UK in 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks I'm leaving the UK. Right, we're back. Sorry, guys. I see that too. Where am I going? Not 100% sure. I'm gonna book me my flights. I'm gonna book my flights this weekend. Strategy breakouts, mate. Yeah, breakout strategy. So basically, I find a range in the market and I wait for a breakout and I trade with that direction. Let me show you an example here, guys, okay? So what have we got? What have we got here? What have we got here? We've got a range. Okay. What do I need to wait for? We've got this recent support, recent resistance. What do I need to wait for now? A breakout. Okay, let's have a look at this. Nice clean breakout to the downside. You know, if this funded Drenko, you haven't got a clue what you're talking about, bro. Get out of here. After this breakout to the downside, if I've still got targets to the downside, then I'll be looking for continuations. And yeah, this is some sort of what of a trade I would take if obviously everything's set up, like recent liquidity grab, top wick, flip down, and then a continuation just like that. Yeah, this is a trade that a few guys in community took as well, which is good to see. Nas only flipping now. Let's have a look. Oh. I need to slow this thing down. It's doing me head in. That's it. Yeah, maybe if this hourly can close bearish. Bro, it's not a good... What if it fakes out? Mate, I have things in place to prevent fake outs. I've got things to prevent fake outs. I've got things in place that I look for to prevent fake outs. Average risk to rewards like 1.5 for me. Like, I don't just take every single breakout. There's things that I do to prevent fake outs. Can you show how to prevent fake outs? Yeah, so basically I prevent fake outs using stop orders. Did you not see the trade that... Did you not see the order that I had in on Nasdaq? Did you not see the order that I had in here on Nasdaq? So we broke out of the range, and I had a sell stop. I had a sell stop on the next candle, but look what the next candle did. The next candle instantly pushed up. The next candle instantly pushed up and didn't flip down. That sell stop prevented me from taking a fake out. Okay? Simple. Using sell stops is key. Waiting for the candle to form is key. There's a few things that you can do to prevent fake outs. Maybe if the hourly can break down a little bit more, I can take some sells here. I just want to break below this level and then I'll take some sells. What time frame's best? I use the 15 and 30. Yeah, 15 and 30 mainly. $5K today after news. I don't know. We'll see how this. I might take some sells in a second. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on. I'm gonna see if this hourly sets up, then leave. If it, I'm gonna be done after if this doesn't work out. No, 4L. You just got to react to the market instead of trying to predict it too much. Too many people trying to predict the market, thinking that, you know, an order block has to hold or a daily bias has to hold. It doesn't. The market doesn't care about your order block. The market doesn't care about your daily bias. It will just react to what you see. Yeah, I mean, if Nasdaq can break and close here, I might take some sells. I'm not really interested in gold. We've got 45 minutes until news. So I'm going to see how the hourly closes here and go from there. What's the hourly doing here? Do I get a little sell on here? Nah, this is useless. Absolutely useless. Please confirm. Let's have a look. Nah, I don't like it. We got news. We got news in 45 minutes as well. I mean, I'd need gold to break above here for buys and break below here for sells. Well, you can learn 4L. Go and apply for the mentorship in the TikTok bio. Yeah, 4L. Go and apply for the mentorship in the TikTok. The link to apply is in the TikTok bio, bro. Mm. 5K today afternoon. Potentially, mate. I think if we can break above here. Bro, do some bat test predictions now, bro. This is live trading. We're not doing bat testing here, man. I mean, I've done plenty of that for years and years and years when I was perfecting everything. Yeah, look at Nasdaq. These pairs are just chopping, man. It's like I'd rather just come back next week. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna wait for a breakout on gold. We've got news in 45 minutes. Make sure you're dropping a follow on this account, okay? And I'm gonna head off, and I'll be back on Monday for a new week, okay? All right, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna head off and peace out and have a good weekend and see you on Monday for another TikTok live. No trades, but we've got news soon and doesn't look like we're gonna break out of this range anytime soon anyway. All right. Peace out, guys. See you on Monday.